If there's something I should know about this country, where they'll be working, you know, a good full day of manual labor. It's like an old railway track. All the way down, all the way down. I'm kind of scared. What if they're gonna lash me? They don't take Visa, they don't take MasterCard. $5 for a twirl, man. $5 for a twirl. $5 for a twirl. What's going on? Good morning, and today we're going to be traveling to Singapore from Johor Bahru. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. We're going to take a bus across the border, and then we're going to run all the way down from the northern tip of Singapore all the way down to the flyer, which is like the London Eye of Singapore, where we finish our journey. So join me on a magical adventure. So we just arrived at Johor Bahru CIQ. That's where we're going to get the bus from to cross the border. And already there's a lot of people here. I'm just not sure who's been here since the night before, because now it's Saturday morning. So I think we're just crossing paths with party goers right now. Well, these are the fees. We don't have a ticket, we're just gonna pay. It's not actually that bad, look. So 4 ringgit is $1. Not bad, and you can tap Visa. Okay, we've ground to a halt already. It's pretty crazy because every morning people do this trip to work in Singapore from Johor Bahru. So unless you go super early, it's gonna be very busy. Man, this is really hectic and really unorganized, but I think we've figured it out. We just won the CW1 that literally crosses the bridge and dumps you out on the other side. There's a couple of different buses you can take to different areas of Singapore, but when the bus arrives, it says something completely different, so who knows. Well, we're on. We made it. Yeah, they pack people on here pretty well. I guess we got lucky. Well, after 2 minutes on the bus, we're almost there. Well, it's good, isn't it? Okay, yeah, we're on the bus maybe 7 minutes. We have one more immigration to do, and then we're in Singapore. Wow. Okay, we made it. Welcome to Singapore. Singapore, Asia's most expensive country. Let's figure it out. Now we have to just run 27 kilometers across the island from north to south, and we'll finish at the Singapore flyer. Now, how do we do that? Jeez. Crazy. We found some animal friends already. Someone's feeding them. They always have half a tail, I've noticed. Hey, I've only been in Singapore 2 minutes, and what is this? And or with caning. Jeez. Is there something I should know about this country? Okay, we made it. We finally escaped immigration and everything else. A very confusing building full of no molesting signs. Bit weird, but we made it. Now our 27-kilometer journey is about to begin. And I think I'd rather run 27 kilometers than take a Singaporean taxi. I bet they're like about $50. Alright, let's go. So here we got people here waiting for construction jobs. They'll could be living here, they could be from another country, who knows, but they all have their packed lunch with them. They'll get picked up in these little trucks over here, and they're loaded with people. There's not much breathing room. Check it out. They'll get driven to a construction site where they'll be working, you know, a good full day of manual labor, and then yeah, drop back off the next day. But there's trucks full, trucks absolutely full. It's all the way along here. So just 5k's in right now. The sun's come up. Yeah, really nice like footpath going through a lot of the kind of foresty stuff along by a river is actually really peaceful and really nice. But I'm sure we'll get to a concrete jungle very soon. So the sun is officially all the way up. We've done 4 miles, maybe 7 Ks on this trail now. And check it out. We can actually follow this trail all the way to the end, another 18 kilometers right there. And yeah, here's a map, look. I didn't realize, I thought we'd be weaving in and out of roads, but this trail goes all the way from Kranji. We started up here by the bridge. We went to here and then we followed the trail so far to here. But it goes all the way down to here, and we're going to be finishing around here, so just a little further. But yeah, it's a very nice trail. Lots of snails on the floor, lots of mosquitoes, but otherwise it's okay. Look at this. Wow. All right. Yeah, I just found this children's playground / allotment underneath a random road. Check it out. It's just underneath the motorway of the. I think we're finally getting into the city now. It looks like the north is kind of, I don't know, very different. The north is kind of similar to Malaysia, a little bit cleaner. But the south, I'm seeing like private gardens in public, children's playgrounds, sand pits, well-kept gardens. We're definitely in a different area right now. Well, we made it 5 miles, maybe 8 kilometers. And then one of us started cheating.
Okay, yeah, okay.
It's okay, we only have 20 Ks to go. Maybe we'll make it. But yeah, the bicycle, $1 Singapore for the first hour, and then I think it's 50 cents for every 10 minutes after. So rent for 1 hour. Check this out. Let's get them away from the road. Yeah, we're getting into the city now. A big difference between Malaysia and Singapore already. So many people running, bicycles, leisurely activities. I think the whole month I was in Malaysia, outside of the touristy park, I don't remember seeing just one runner. Here, it feels like LA or something, runners everywhere. Look at this trail though. It's like an old railway track. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So this is part of that same trail system. We got diverted off before because there's like construction, but we're back on it now, so that's pretty cool. Here's a little history look. This is where we are now, 9 Mile platform. Wow, that's what it looked like once upon a time. Kind of looks like Johor Bahru, really. It's super modernized now though, next to a truss bridge. It's crazy you can just leave your bike here and no one takes it. I'm not used to that, right? But water fountains, fancy toilets. Crazy, isn't it? Wow. Where am I? Oh, I'm starting to see a lot of rules here. Look at this. Don't carry plastic bags. Wow, it's a new one. So we just came out the wooded area. We're at 11 miles. Look at this. We're almost there. Oh, there we are. We just have no, wait. I'm stupid. We're going that way. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, look how much the scenery has changed from where we started. We saw all those sort of Malay, Indian, Malay, Bangladeshi guys going in groups for construction for the day. And now, wow, this is a super clean modern city with everyone running with Nike and Lululemon sportswear. Very different from the north of Singapore. I didn't expect that at all. But yeah, 11 miles, we're almost there. What's 11 miles in kilometers? I'll have a think about it. Well, I just had 1 kilometer go and the trail just closed. So I have no idea where to go. There's the blockade. The other option is the freeway. Doesn't look great. Yeah. I guess we'll try and figure it out, I guess. Oh wow, so close. Oh, here we are. 14.4 miles, which is 23 kilometers. Wow, just 1.8 kilometers to go and it's closed. I'm tempted just to walk through, to be honest. I have no idea how to go around. But what I do know about Singapore is they're very strict, right? I saw in the news someone brought some weed in here, a kilo, and he was sentenced to death. And, you know, I don't feel comfortable. In any other country, I'd just do that, but I'm kind of scared. What if they're going to lash me? Start whipping me? It's very strict here. I think is chewing gum illegal or something like that? I'm not sure, but yeah, I don't know what to do now. Yeah, Singapore, very strict. I don't like that. Yeah, so I stopped at the first shop to try and get a drink because I'm dying, but they don't take Visa, they don't take MasterCard, and yeah, I am dying for a drink, but I just can't buy anything. They accept NETS, N-E-T-S, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's just this shop, I'm not sure, but I thought Singapore were with the times. I thought I'd be fine, but I'm dying. Okay, we're returning the bicycle about 4 k's from the end. You have to leave it in this designated bay, then scan the QR code. Otherwise, there's a $5 Singapore dollar convenience fee. I think that's around $4 US. So most people just leave it wherever and suck up the $4 fee. But yeah, pretty cool. Oh wow. Look at that salt around the sock. Wow, that's serious. Well, I got changed in a little McDonald's toilet, figured out the drinking situation. And we're only 2 kilometers short from doing the whole island, but who cares? We are here in Singapore, the most futuristic, expensive city in all of Asia. But it's still cheaper than London. Yeah, some of the stuff here is crazy already. Like, they have a friggin' forest on top of a building, for one. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm in a convenience store in the center. Check this out. $5 for a twirl, man. $5 for a twirl. $5 for a twirl. What's going on? $5 for a dairy milk. Kit Kat. How much is Hershey's? Oh, Hershey's is $1. Hershey's does taste worse though. $4 King of Bonnet. And Ritter Sport, almost $10. Oh my god, this is insane.